Monster Jam Monster Arena set includes 2 pounds of monster dirt, maximum destruction, exclusive truck by Spin Master. On the back of the box, flip this around. There we have some kids playing with it, showing you what you can do. Build it, jump it, smash it. The makers of Kinetic Sand. On the side of the box here, there's some photos. And then this is also a cool photo of Max D. Then on the other side, we have the Gravedigger set, which I don't have. And this one came out last year, of the Monster Dirt Arena set that we're going to unbox here. So I got it at Target, and they matched the online price that was $22.99, I believe. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to just add this to my collection finally. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Here's the bottom. Got some ramps. Some other ramps also, and some building materials in this little bag. And we also got the arena to build. The instruction guide, which I'll look at. It looks like we're going to have some stickers also to put on here. So we'll put those on. And then there's a big bag of that dirt sand. So I'll get that out also. As you can tell, I have put together the Monster Jam Arena set with the monster dirt inside that does not fill up the whole arena. Also, it says on the box here that it is over 24 inches long. So by doing this, I kind of calculated. So if you went out here by approximately where the green ramp starts, and you go the whole way across, and it ends right there. So it's kind of hard to tell probably on the video screen, but it's about almost to 25 inches, about right there. And we bring it over here to the other side. The arena itself is just a little over 20.5 inches, so it's a little bit not accurate with the how long it is. I got the Monster Jam sticker placed correctly, and it looks pretty cool. The crowd inside, it looks pretty cool. Inside, they're very small in detail, and they're not all the same. So, well, some of them are the same, but not all of them are, because they do have some differences. Now on the Jumbotron here, we have Max D. It says Thunder Alley, Monster Jam World Finals 20. Max D, maximum destruction on the clock for 59 seconds still left remaining. We have a crushed car that we can mold and put together. We have the tools. We have a little shovel here. And we have also a little making thing where we can make stuff on the one end, and then on the other end is kind of like a cutting tool. Also, we have the barrier, or the backflip ramp we can make. And then lastly, we have the pod set right here. Nice color. So that has it. And then the exclusive truck that came with it was Max D. And the only differences that I saw with the Max D truck was that it had dirt on the tires. Other than that, it didn't really look like anything else was different on the die cast itself. So let's go ahead and build a little bit and see what we can do here. First off, let's just make a car. After I built some stuff here, we got the pod that I built, 2 cars, the container, and then I did 3 of these little things. Go ahead, use Max D, jumping into the arena, smash it, crash it, and do it again. And you can even use this if you want to as an extra pod in the arena, and do the backflip somewhat off of the container there. And so there, just have a lot of fun and build. Hopefully you enjoyed this review and unboxing. Thank you for tuning in.